Look at the stars and the ocean. We got the heater, the fire. Stars in the ocean, hobos ready. We are hobo, but we are in a van. So we're not really, we're like kind of homeless, but we are. We're hobo. Look at the stars, though. Those are the stars, people. And the ocean. That's, what star is that? Jupiter? The Wave 3 heater, though, keeps it cranking all winter long. It's fucking awesome. The Wave 3. Who needs a stupid $2,000 house? Apartment. Listen to those waves, crank it out. All you need is a new car every three or 4 years so you don't break down and you're set. Just save up a couple $100,000 and you're set. We need a 201k.